Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve the numerical on the topic gases and kinetic molecular theory. Now let us see the example. In the average adult male, the residual volume of lungs, the volume of air remaining after forced exhalation is 1200 milliliter. Part A: how many moles of air are present in the residual volume at 1 atmosphere and 37 degrees Celsius? Part B: how many molecules of gas are present under this condition? Now let's give the input. We have given volume 1.200 liter, pressure 1 atmosphere, temperature 310 Kelvin. Now we required another variable, that is gas constant, and we know the value of gas constant is 0.0821 atmosphere liter per mole Kelvin. We required another variable, that is Avogadro number, that is 6.022 10 to the power 23. Now we have to find out molecules. Click on the submit button. See, we got the step-by-step answer. First, we got number of moles and then total number of molecules. In this way, our software solves chemistry numericals in a single input only. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.